Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Porter, Local, and Long Distance Movers Near Me. A long distance move is a move that involves the transfer of your belongings over a distance of more than 50 miles. Distance is one of the many things to consider when making a long distance relocation. There are state and federal authorities in charge of relocation, and they have their regulations and criteria. That is why some moving firms experience distance restrictions and may not be able to go as far as you want. 3 Movers offers both interstate and interstate moves, and we have a professional working relationship with the local and federal agencies in charge of relocation. Our movers and drivers are cautious, and we have insurance plans in place to protect your possessions during the move. A local move covers a distance of less than 50 miles, and we also provide efficient local moving services in Porter, Indiana. Our moving team is always ready to help you with the transportation of your belongings, regardless of when you reach out to us, your timeline, or your budget. We work with you on something that will meet your specific moving needs. We give locals access to standard moving services at cheap rates. We charge about $30 to $40 per hour. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Porter Moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.